Hi everyone! So, CRA2 na po tayo, Learning Environment and Diversity of Learners. So, dito po sa ating CRA number 2, meron tayong objective number 5, establish safe and secure learning environments to enhance learning through the consistent implementation of policies, guidelines, and procedures. Ito pong Objective 5 ay makikita sa ating classroom observation kung saan nakita natin to or ginawa natin to during our first quarter and third quarter lang po. Then next is our objective number 6, maintain learning environments that promote fairness, respect, and care to encourage learning. Still, ang MOBs po na hinahanap dito is classroom observation tool. Pareho pa din po kasi observable po siya during our first and third quarter. Sa atin naman pong objective number 7, establish a learner-centered culture by using teaching strategies that responds to their linguistic, cultural, socio-economic, and religious backgrounds. Ang MOBs naman po na kinakailangan dito ay second and fourth quarter. Doon po siya naging observable. Then para sa ating objective number 8, adopt and use culturally appropriate teaching strategies to address the needs of learners from indigenous groups. Kung mapapansin niyo po, ito na rin yung same indicator na ginamit natin last year. Yun nga lang, yung iba kasi, meron silang students under indigenous group, kaya pwede nilang gamitin yung kanilang COT or Classroom Observation Tool. However, kung wala kayong identified students para dito, pwede kayong gumamit ng TRF or yung ating teacher reflection form. Pwede rin naman na gumawa kayo ng lesson plan or activity sheet na applicable sa ating indigenous groups. Again, depende po ito sa inyong mga head teachers or yung inyong mga rater. Ayan po ay kailangang makita sa ating second and fourth quarter. Then, ang ating objective number 9 naman is set achievable appropriate learning outcomes that are aligned with e-learning competencies. Ang kinakailangan po dito, at least one lesson plan. Pwede po ang DLP, DLL, WHLP, or kahit ano pong applicable na meron po dito sa ating example. Ang kinakailangan po dito, yung objectives na nakaset sa ating mga lesson plan is aligned po sa ating activities. Kaya po dito sa aking MOVs, nilagay ko po ay yung sample screenshot ng DLL. First, second, third, and fourth quarter. At ayan po ang bumubuo sa ating CRA number 2. Pag kailangan nyo po yung ating CRA number 3, paki-comment po dito sa ating comment section CRA 3. Thank you for watching. Bye!